Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Capricorn. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And Capricorn, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr, and I'll be sharing her link in the description so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Devil in reverse, Queen of Cups, Two of Wands in reverse. So maybe in your circumstances today, in your work or in your relationship, you are a very kind, compassionate person, intelligent, devoted. You are devoted to whatever choices you make and you stand by those decisions no matter what. You try to do things the right way, and you are someone really, really kind, helpful, and you are a very loving person, caring. So people in your work, maybe you go out of the way to help them, and that may be true even in this relationship. You are going out of your way to help this person you love. You take care of them, you nurture this person. And today, in this relationship, this person is truly feeling that love they have towards you. They are deeply attracted to your beauty and they just love to be with you. Because of the shower of love you shower on this person, your love is changing them, your love is attracting them, mesmerizing them. And this person truly feels a great attraction towards you and they cannot imagine a life without you. And they are a very, they are trapped by your beauty and trapped by the attention you shower on this person, and they love you, they simply adore you, and they are talking about you to the people they love, maybe to their friends or family members. They are talking about you to everyone. So they feel really happy to be in this relationship, grateful for having found you, for being here in this connection. And the love they have on you is simply something like a blind obsession. They are crazy for you, Capricorn. And today, this relationship is like something magical for them, and they are enchanted by your love, enchanted by the way you are, by your beauty, by your love, by your shower of attention on this person. So let's see what is the card for your, just like I said, they are simply obsessed. It looks like an obsession towards you, but the true reason they are so obsessed with you is because of your love, the way you are with this person. So this is maybe a destined connection, Capricorn. This person may be your soulmate or a twin flame. That may be the reason for this level of bond and the depth of this connection. So for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. Tower. So there are huge changes happening in your work. Certain projects may get delayed, but instead of that, you may get better opportunities in place of that. So stay strong, Capricorn. Things are going to fall into place in your work circumstances. So that is the energy here, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card reading that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, Victory of Miriam. So with this card in your circumstances today, this is a very special card, guys. It comes with an amazing message. So every challenge or adventure you are facing in your life is here to just test you, and it is here to make you understand the truth what you are. So every bird needs space and an open sky to fly, and every tiger needs that hunger that is going to drive her to fulfill her being, live her nature. The same way, you need to realize your divine nature, your holy expression of that greatest love each and every one of us have. And life is providing us to make our needs be met. So that is the energy here with this card, and this card also brings you comfort and guidance in understanding that whatever we are going through, maybe circumstances may bring us happiness, certain circumstances may bring us struggle, a lot of sadness, but whatever is happening because of that divine energy each and every one of us have inside us. So we should not hesitate to trust it. We must embrace it fully, allow things to happen, let things to have its own way. And there is no need to resist any changes happening today. Live life with love and let our circumstances unfold with love. And you are going to succeed. That is also the energy here. All you need to do is just let that success unfold in your life and be part of this loving energy. And you may feel a part of you trying to avoid something painful. You no longer want yourself to go through all that failure and criticism, whatever happened. But you are becoming more optimistic each and every day. You are becoming stronger. You will have that realization deep down in your heart of hearts. And you will feel that sense of achievement. Let anything happen. and you will be stronger no matter what. That is your attitude today. When you have that balance in your heart, it just means that you are having that acceptance for your circumstances. That divine surrender is unfolding in your being. And when that happens, it just means that you are going to reach success in whatever you are thinking or planning. And it is all divine plan unfolding in your life. That is the energy here with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the Light Princess and Grounded. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are trying to escape some kind of a negative situation. You are feeling really scared, or you are having a lot of inhibitions to face some emotions, and you just want to stay away from that circumstance and from that people who are creating that circumstance. But sometimes if you want to live authentically, you must take steps to connect with the people who are close to you. It is time for you to be really practical today. See the way you need to live your life, relate to the people who are close to you. That way you will be able to find that true soul connection. So maybe because of the hurt and pain, you just don't want anyone, you just want to stay aloof, you just want to stay alone, and you are considering yourself immune and invulnerable. But that is not reality, guys. So you need to be really grounded, be really practical, and you should not go for escapism and having dreams, just fantasizing about your future without taking steps practically is not going to take you anywhere. So that is the energy here. So it is time for you to give up all your fears, inhibitions, and relate to people, talk to people whom you love, and relate to people with whom you want to have a true connection. When you do that, you will be able to find that true soul mate for you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Bye guys. I will see you tomorrow.